villi are finger-like projections of the mucosa. So this is another villi. So let's shift to a higher magnification, to a villi. So now I'm shifting to low power. Earlier it was scanner view, focusing on the villi at greater detail. So you can see that the lining epithelium of the villi is composed of simple columnar epithelium with goblet cells shown at the tip of the pointer. Now the lining epithelium is resting on a lamina propria. Now together, the lining epithelium and the lamina propria make up the mucosa. If you notice, the lamina propria is still studded with a lot of lymphocytes. So this can also be classified as dense lymphatic tissue because of the presence of several lymphocytes that are closely packed to each other. So this is again part of the gut-associated lymphatic tissue. If you move around, you will find areas wherein you have nodular lymphatic tissue. So this is an example of a nodular lymphatic tissue. And if you move further around, you will see that there are certain areas wherein you have aggregates of several lymphatic nodules, like this one. I'll shift to low power for you to see the whole picture. So can you see this? These are aggregates of lymphatic nodules. In the ileum, we have a special name for them. We call them the Peyer's patch. So what is a Peyer's patch? This is simply nothing more than aggregates of lymphatic nodules found in the lamina propria or in the mucosa. Now if you notice this lymphatic nodule, an individual lymphatic nodule, the center is pale compared to the rest of its part. The pale center is what we refer to as the germinal center. It consists of large lymphocytes, whereas the periphery, which is darker, is what we refer to as the corona, not to be confused with the corona radiata. So this is known as the corona. And if you notice, it's darker staining. It's composed of small lymphocytes. Now there are certain nodules without a germinal center. It's perfectly all right. There are some nodules that do not have a germinal center. So I'm looking for one. There might be none in this particular slide. But if you see one, okay, so this is one with a germinal center. But if you see one that is without a germinal center, that's perfectly okay. There are some lymphatic nodules without a germinal center. So this is the germinal center, and this is the corona of the lymphatic nodule. Collectively, they are known as Peyer's patch in the ileum. See here, there's a lot of them. As a matter of fact, this is one of the characteristic features of the ileum. Now let's move down.